11 species in genus Zoysia. June 8th. Zoysia, the enduring grass, defines June 8th. Zoysia represents adaptability and strength. You are grounded and resourceful, flourishing in a variety of environments. Like this grass, your steady nature provides a foundation for growth. Zoysia grass, your warm season lawn FAQs answered. For those of us in warmer climates, finding the perfect low-maintenance lawn can be a challenge. Enter Zoysia grass, a warm season turf known for its lush carpet-like feel, drought tolerance, and resistance to wear and tear. But before you dive headfirst into a Zoysia sod project, here are some frequently asked questions, FAQs, to help you decide if it's the right choice for your yard. What is Zoysia grass? Zoysia grass belongs to the Poaceae family, is a warm season tough grass that thrives in hot, sunny climates. It boasts a dense, slow-growing habit, creating a thick, weed-resistant lawn. Popular varieties like Meyer Zoysia offer good shade tolerance compared to other warm-season grasses. See full list at monsteraholic.com. How to care for Zoysia grass. Zoysia is relatively low maintenance. It requires less water than cool-season grasses and thrives in well-drained soil. Mowing is infrequent, with a recommended height of 1.5 to 2 inches. Thatch buildup can be an issue, so dead hatching every other year might be necessary. How to propagate Zoysia grass. Zoysia spreads through underground stems called rhizomes and stolons. However, establishment is slow. You can plant plugs or sod for a quicker green lawn, but seeding isn't a recommended option. What to plant with Zoysia grass? Zoysia's slow-growing nature and dense habit make it a poor companion for fast-growing, aggressive plants. Opt for slow-growing perennials or low-growing shrubs that tolerate full sun and well-drained soil. Will Zoysia grass grow in shade? While some Zoysia varieties, like Meyer Zoysia, can tolerate moderate shade, around 4 to 6 hours of direct sunlight, they truly flourish in full sun. In persistently shady areas, consider a shade-tolerant cool-season grass like fescue. How does Zoysia grass spread? Zoysia spreads primarily through underground stems called rhizomes and stolons. These runners slowly fill in bare patches and create a dense turf. However, its slow growth means it won't aggressively take over your flower beds. How to cut Zoysia grass. A sharp mower is key to prevent tearing the tough Zoysia blades. Mow infrequently, removing no more than 1/3 of the blade height at a time. Aim for a height of 1.5 to 2 inches. How to revive dead Zoysia grass. The good news is Zoysia is fairly resilient. If your lawn is suffering from drought or heat stress, deep watering and increased shade can help it recover. Aeration can also improve root health in compacted soil. However, severely damaged Zoysia might require reseeding or patching with plugs. Is Zoysia grass invasive? No, Zoysia grass is not invasive. While it spreads slowly through underground runners, it's unlikely to become a nuisance in your garden beds. Its slow growth habit makes it a good choice for borders and edges. How fast does Zoysia grass spread? Patience is key with Zoysia. Its slow-growing nature means it takes longer to establish a lawn compared to faster-growing varieties. However, the payoff is a low-maintenance, dense turf that resists weeds and wear and tear. How to identify Zoysia grass? Zoysia grass has fine, wiry blades that grow in a dense, low-growing clump. The leaf tips have a characteristic boat-shaped appearance. If you're unsure, a local nursery or gardening expert can help you identify your lawn type. Is Zoysia grass good for dogs? Zoysia's dense, wear-resistant nature makes it a good choice for active dogs. However, like any lawn, proper care is essential. Cleaning up pet waste promptly and providing designated digging areas can help keep your Zoysia lawn healthy. Can you mix Zoysia and St. Augustine grass? Mixing Zoysia with St. Augustine grass isn't recommended. These two warm-season grasses have different growth rates, watering needs, and mowing preferences. Over time, one grass will likely outcompete the other, leading to an uneven lawn. I hope this comprehensive FAQ has shed some light on the wonderful world of Zoysia grass. With its low-maintenance needs and beautiful lush carpet, it can be the perfect choice for a warm-season lawn.